Hey Matt, it's Mike here. I just want to show you the problems I'm having with this. I looked again at the code that you sent me, the conditional code, to put on the select drop-down box. And I looked at it pretty closely in your video and made sure that my syntax and the keywords and everything all match, and they seem to be okay. So if you look at this right here, alright, so I'm saying the variable name, I just called it type. Well, let's change this. I tried using your language in case it was some kind of keyword, and that didn't work either. But so I'm using the variable name type, where the get element by ID. IR type's ID is that select drop-down value, where that equals 20. Then to show the other box. If it equals 32, show the other box. If it equals 39, to show the other box. Otherwise, hide it. Okay, so that's the code. I have it set up here just to be on change, like how it was in your video. And lastly, I wanted to show you the header, page head. The only thing that's in here now, I removed all that other code that was in there that was governing this. So there's nothing in the page head now to apply on this. So now when we run it, there's a drop down that is in question. You can see that it's not initially visible because I have that shut off. But when I go to pick another reason, which is down here, other incident, still not showing up. If I pick serious other, it's not showing up. So still isn't working. I haven't even got to the part where it's required yet. I can't get this code to even show the other box object. Over here, if I click on this, this is it right here. I have it field initially visible? No, I don't want it visible until they've clicked on that other select box, which will then govern what it's going to do. So, you know, if I say that it's visible, then of course it will be. But it's visible all the time. It's not what we want. I don't want it here when it's not a other reason. So that code just is not functioning. Now my question in my last email to you that you must not have read is that in your video, it showed underneath here under common switch code, you had another type. I only have radio button and checkbox item. Your interface showed common switch code select item. So this is my question. Is this why this doesn't function? Is because those custom code blocks aren't built into the version or the build that I'm using. So I guess my question is, when was that added on to rack forms? And why is it different on your version than on mine? And is that what's causing the problem? So I'm going to leave it at that. I can't get this to function the way it is, and I have the only other choice I have is to put that head code in that jQuery code in the head of the page to at least show it or hide it as I need it to do. And the only problem there, though, is that I can't seem to require it, and would have to just live with that. But I guess the short question is whether I'm using the wrong version of rack forms and if this needs to be upgraded, and that would solve all my problems. But that's about it. Let me know when you get a chance. Thanks, Matt. I appreciate it.